Hey everybody, it's Dr. Lee here with Infinite Athlete Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to show you a posterior hip opener. So this is a self-mobilization technique that we use with all of our deadlifting athletes in order to help improve your hip hinge ability and decrease tightness in the posterior chain. So your posterior chain is going to include your glutes, your hamstrings, your calf, and even your sciatic nerve that runs all the way down your leg. So if any of those structures are limited, then that's going to limit your ability to perform a good hip hinge. So if you go load the bar up with a lot of weight and don't have a good hip hinge, your low back is going to have to take up the slack, and that can lead to injury in your low back. So in order to prevent that, we're going to show you this mobilization today. So what you want to do is take a resistance band, you're going to place it high and tight on your hip, and step forward until there's good tension through it. Come all the way down to the floor, place the hand on the same side on your knee. So from here, you're going to lift your butt up towards the ceiling, try to stretch out that knee and press through your hand to really provide overpressure. And with each repetition of this, you want to hold for about 2 seconds each time. So if you're doing this movement correctly, you should feel a good stretch going all the way down your posterior chain here. So I want you to try to do this exercise for me at least every other day for 30 repetitions, especially for a warm-up before you do any kind of deadlifting. If you do that for the next 2 weeks, then you'll really notice significant improvement in your ability to deadlift, your hip hinge, and the most important thing, you'll be decreasing your risk for low back injury.